So welcome dear students to Computer Studies chapter number 4 part 1. In this video we have to learn how to create list, that is ordered list and unordered list, and the next topic which is there in this chapter is how to create a table in HTML. In this part we will be learning about how to create the two types of list. We all are familiar with the words list. For example, a list of materials to be taken for the picnic, list of things to be carried for the exams, right? Now, sometimes it is necessary to prepare a list instead of typing the contents as a paragraph. Now, we all are familiar with Microsoft Word program. In Microsoft Word, we get a facility of preparing a list. We get two options there. First option is ordered list, in which we can give 1, 2, 3, 4, that is numbering, or A, B, C, D. Different options we get. And another one is unordered list, that is bullets. So in Microsoft Words we have got two things, bullets and numbering. Now suppose if we want to do the same thing in Notepad, then we have seen that even if we type the word, suppose first item is chocolate, second item is ice cream, third item is pastry. If we want to prepare the list of these three items, then if in the Notepad we write it in separate, in different lines, but in browser it will be displayed continuous as a single line, right? So how to prepare a list in HTML, that is web page, that is prepared using different tags. Here we get the facility of preparing both the kinds of list, that is ordered list, that is numbering, and unordered list, which is bullets. So first we will learn unordered list. In unordered list, each list item starts with a symbol, that is like a bullet. To create an unordered list, we have to use UL tag, wherein each list item is displayed using a tag called li. We will practically do the thing, so you will be able to understand the concept clearly. So first we will open the Notepad program. First thing is we will save the file with the name unorderedlist.html inside our folder name 10 standard HTML files. First tag I am typing is HTML, head, title. In the title we will give the title as learning unordered list. I made a spelling mistake, but let it be. Slash head, slash body, only body. Then now we want to prepare an unordered list, so we have to use the tag UL. But before that we will give a heading that we are going to prepare a list of unordered things. So I will give a heading using H1 tag unordered list, H1/H1. Now I will start with the tag UL. Now which items I want to include in this list? Then chocolates, pastry and ice cream. So I will type those things. Then I will close UL tag by typing /UL. Now these all are list items, so I have to mention it to the browser that those are items but list items. So I will type the tag li. Okay, then I will copy and paste it before each items. Now actually I have to type /li, but even if I don't type, it will work, it will not create any problem. So straight away I type slash body